morning children. In this video now we are going to learn how we use expressions practically and how to find the value of the variables. Okay, first expression, if you want to find, I have 4 more marbles than Rahul. Okay, then how many marbles I have, that is the question. Then what is given here? I have 4 more marbles. 4 extra I have than Rahul. Here not mentioned how many marbles with Rahul. Rahul have how many marbles? It is not mentioned here. Suppose if Rahul have 2 marbles, then if Rahul have 2 marbles, then how many marbles I have? I have 4 more. That is 2 plus 4. 6 marbles. If Rahul have 5 marbles, then how many marbles I have? I have 4 more than 5. That is 5 plus 4. If Rahul have 10 marbles, then how many marbles I have? 10 plus 4. Here the number of marbles with Rahul is not given. We are assuming that as variable. Okay, it can take any value. Rahul's marbles, it can take any value. If Rahul is having x marbles, number of marbles with Rahul is x, then number of marbles I have is here x plus 4. Number of marbles I have, how many marbles I have? X plus 4. This is an expression. Then next we'll see, Payal is 6 years younger than Ajay. Is the difference between the ages. We have to find out how many. Payal is 6 years younger than Ajay. Ajay age is here not mentioned, but Payal is 6 years younger. Younger means it is, we have to reduce 6 years. Smaller, no? We have to reduce 6 years. Ajay age, suppose Ajay's age is 10 years. Then how much is the age of Payal? Payal age is 6 years younger. That is 10 minus 6. 4 years. Difference is 6 only, no children. 10 years minus 4 years. Difference is 6 years. Suppose Ajay's age is 12 years. Then Payal's age is how much? 12 minus 6. That is 6 years. Here also Payal's age is depending on Ajay's age. Payal's age is depending on Ajay's age. Therefore, we have to assume, let Ajay's age is, suppose, Z. Z years. Z is a variable. If Ajay's age is Z years, then Payal's age, if it is 10, 10 minus 6. If it is 12, 12 minus 6. If it is Z minus 6 years. Okay, children, the age of Payal is how much? The age of Payal is Z minus 6 years. Then next one, Raman is twice old as Aman. Raman is twice, 2 times than Aman's age. Raman's age is twice old as Aman's age. Here also, Raman's age is depending on Aman's age. Okay, let Aman's age 10 years. If Aman's age is 10 years, then Raman's age is how much? It is twice. Twice means 2 times. That is 2 times 10, 20 years. Okay. If Aman's age is 15. Aman's age is 15. Then Raman's age is how much? 2 times 15. That is 30 years. Okay. If it is 10, 2 into 10. If it is 15, 2 into 15. If Aman's age is X years. Then Raman's age is 2 times X. That is 2X years. Okay. If let Aman's age is X years, then Raman's age is 2X years. Okay, then next one, 4th problem. What is given? Sita has 3 more notebooks than Geeta. Okay, Number of books with Sita is 3 more than the number of books with Geeta. Here also Sita's books are depending on Geeta's books. Let the number of notebooks with Geeta. We have to imagine again variable. For example, if Geeta has 12 books, 12 notebooks. Okay, if Geeta has 12 notebooks, then Sita, number of books with Sita is 3 more than Geeta. Whatever she is having, 3 more than Geeta. That is 12 plus 3, 3 more than Geeta's books. If she is having 15, then 15 plus 3. If she is having only 10, then 10 plus 3. Now here also Sita's books are depending on Geeta's book. Let number of books with Geeta is, suppose there are Y books. Number of books with Geeta is Y books. Geeta is having Y number of books, then Sita is having 3 more than Y, that is Y plus 3 books. Okay children, this is how we use the expressions practically. And then next question is, Rekha has 3 books more than twice the books with Suresh. Rekha has 3 books more than twice the books with Suresh. Let's suppose Suresh is having 5 books. Okay, then Rekha has 3 more than twice the books with Suresh. Twice the books, 2 times of the books, that is 2 into 5, and then 3 more than this. Okay, twice the books, 2 times, and then 3 more. Rekha is having, how many books she is having? She is having 3 books more than what? Than twice the books with Suresh. Books with Suresh is 5. Twice the books with Suresh is 2 into 5. That is 2 into 5, 10 plus 3, 13 books. Suppose Suresh is having 10 books. Then how many books Rekha is having then? Rekha is having 3 more than, okay, 3 more than twice the books with Suresh. Twice, that is 20 plus 3, 23 books. Okay, 3 more than twice the books. Now we are assuming now Suresh is having T books. We don't know any number, it may be any number. Then Rekha is having, how many books she is having? 2 times T plus 3 more, that is 2T plus 3. Number of books with Rekha is 2T plus 3, 3 more than twice the books with Suresh. Okay children, then next one, Sarita's father's age is 5 years more than 3 times Sarita's age. Now here the question is her father's age. Relation between the ages here we have to find out. That is, Sarita's father's age is 5 years more than 3 times Sarita's age. Sarita's father's age is depending on Sarita's age. Okay, a relation given, father's age and Sarita's age. Now Sarita's age we don't know. Suppose Sarita's age 10 years. Then father's age, Sarita's father's age is 5 years more. 5 more. Okay, let us suppose 5 more than 3 times Sarita's age. 3 times Sarita's age. Sarita's age is 10. 3 times Sarita's age is 3 into 10. That is 30 plus 5, 35. Okay, 5 more than 3 times Sarita's age. Suppose Sarita's age is 12 years. Sarita's age is 12 years. Then her father's age is 3 times Sarita's age. 3 times Sarita's age plus 5 more. 5 years more than 3 times Sarita's age. Now here Sarita's age is here variable. Okay, we don't know, not given no Sarita's age. Let Sarita's age is X years. If Sarita's age is X years, then her father's age is 3 into x. 3 times x plus 5. That is Sarita's father age is 3x plus 5. Let Sarita's age is x years. Then Sarita's father's age is 3x plus 5 years. Okay children. This is how we use expressions practically. Next we will see how to find the value of the variable. But before that we will see what is an equation. You have seen, I think, equations. Okay, what is equation? Can you tell children? Yes, if equality sign is there, then we call it as equation. Okay, for example, 3x plus 2 is equal to 11. Okay, this one equality sign is there, no? That is why we call it as equation. Equation on either side, there is left hand side and right hand side. What it shows, left hand side and right hand side both are equal. Okay, equality sign if it is there, we call it as equation. LHS is nothing but left hand side of the equation and RHS is nothing but right hand side of an equation. Now 3s plus 2 greater than 11. Okay, we won't call this as equation. Okay, just this one is an expression. Okay, if equality sign is there, then only we call it as equation. This one is left hand side and this one is right hand side. Now we'll see how to find the value of the variable. Okay, next our topic is finding the value of variable. Finding the value of variable. Let us take an equation. For example, if 2n is equal to 10, it is an equation. Now here our question is, we should find the value of this n. N can take any value. Let's start with 1. Suppose if n takes 1, if n is equal to 1, then left hand side value first we will calculate. That is 2n, no, left hand side it is given. 2n is nothing but 2 into n children. That is 2 into 1, 2. Left hand side we came to know it is 2. But whereas right hand side it is given 10. LHS is not equal to RHS. Both are not same. Therefore, we say that n equal to 1 is not the solution. It is not the value. And n won't take 1. Why? Because it is not balancing both sides. If n takes 2. If n takes 2. Then what is left hand side? 2 into 2. That is 4. 2 2s are 4. But RHS is how much? 10. Again both are not equal. Okay. N also won't take 4. If n is equal to 3. Then left hand side is 2 into 3. That is 6. But whereas right hand side is 10. Again not equal. N equal to 3 is also not a solution. If n takes 4. Then left hand side 2 into 4. 2 4s are 8. But whereas right hand side it is given only 10. Both are not same. Not a solution. If n is equal to 5. Then left hand side is 2n. That is 2 into 5. Value is 10. Right hand side value is also given 10. Now here LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore n equal to 5 satisfies this equation. Therefore we say that n equal to 5 is the solution of this equation. Value of the variable. If the equation should be true, then value of the variable should be what? 5. 5 we call it as solution of the equation. Then one more example we'll see. A minus 2 is equal to 6. Children, tell me what is the left hand side? What is LHS of the equation? It is an equation. Why? Because there is an equality sign and left hand side is a minus 2 and right hand side is 6. Now here we have to find the value of the a now. For that first I am substituting. See, if I substitute 1 minus 2, it won't give 6. If I substitute 2 minus 2 is 0. If I substitute 3 minus 2 is 1. Like that. Okay, we should guess. Now let's write some numbers. Let a is equal to 4. If I take a value 4, then what is left hand side? Left hand side is a minus 2. That is 4 minus 2. Difference is 2. But whereas right hand side is 6. LHS is not equal to RHS. Left hand side, right hand side are not equal. A equal to 4 is not a solution. If I take a value 5, then LHS left hand side is 5 minus 2. A is taking 5. 5 minus 2 difference is 3. Right hand side is 6. Both are not same. A equal to 5 is not a solution. If I take a value 6, then left hand side a minus 2, that is 6 minus 2, difference is 4. Right hand side given 6. Both are not same. A is equal to 6 is also not a solution. If A takes 7, then left hand side 7 minus 2, that is difference is 5. But whereas right hand side is 6, a equal to 7 also not a solution. Then a value if it takes 8, then left hand side 8 minus 2, that is 6, and right hand side is also 6. Yes, LHS we say left hand side is equal to right hand side. Therefore we say that a equal to 8 is the solution of this equation. In this way children will find the value of the variables. Okay. In the same way, finally let's take one more sum. (3x plus 2). 3x plus 2. Let's find the value of x. 3x plus 2, suppose it is equal to 10. 10 not, sorry, we'll see 11. 3x plus 2 equal to 11. Then first I am taking x value 1. If x takes 1, then what we see left hand side value? 3x is nothing but 3 into x plus 2. That is 3 into 1 plus 2. 3 ones are 3 plus 2, that is 5. Left hand side value is 5. Whereas right hand side value is 11. Both are not same. Therefore x equal to 1 is not a solution. If x takes 2, then left hand side is 3 into 2 plus 2. 3 2s are 6 plus 2, 8. Okay. Right hand side is 11, but both are not same. X equal to 2 is also not a solution. Now if x takes 3, then left hand side is 3x plus 2, no? 3 into 3 plus 2, that is 9 plus 2, 11. Right hand side is also 11. Yes, left hand side is equal to right hand side. Therefore x equal to 3 is the solution of the equation. In some cases, in some problems, they will give the equation and they will give some values there. They will ask to check which one of the following is the solution of the equation. In this way, first you have to substitute the given value of the variable and you should see whether left hand side and right hand side equal or not. If they are equal, then only we say that the given number is the solution of the equation. Okay children? Now in this video, what we have seen in this video, practically how we use expressions, and then next how to find the value of the expressions. I hope today's topics are clear to you. Thank you for watching, children. Bye.